again folks, it's Mel at Stocksbridge Guitar Tech and I'm back with another video for you. So it's a new guitar day for me today, but can you guess what's in the box? It's literally just arrived. Can you guess what it is? No prizes, by the way. Is that a clue? Maybe, maybe not. How about that? Is that a clue? Maybe, maybe not. What about this? Is that a clue? Who knows? Before I open the box, please remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff if you do enjoy this video or any of my other videos. Let's open this box and take a first look at this guitar. Okay, what we got? Very nice, nice colour, metallic blue, and it is a Kramer Pacer. Never had a Kramer before. Got a fantastic deal on this guitar. It was on sale, on clearance sale. So I think these are normally about £350, something like that. I got this for £199, which is a bit of a bargain. Now they are out of stock now of this particular colour anyway. I got it from PMT online, and they do still have a red one. Same guitar but in metallic red, which looks great as well. So that's the guitar. So I'll just take you through the specs briefly. So we've got on this an alder body. Just let me refer to my notes. We've got an alder body, a maple neck, maple fretboard, Alnico 5 humbuckers, three-way mini toggle switch, 2 volume controls, one for each humbucker and a master tone, and then we've got a licensed Floyd Rose tremolo. So all in all, quite a good deal. Looks really nice. I'm not going to plug it in or anything today. I'm just going to feel those fret ends. They feel fine. Neck's a little bit chunkier than I thought it might be, but not excessively so. We've got just die-cast tuners and a locking nut. I doubt very much this will be in tune, so we'll have a listen at it some other time, but first impressions, looks a really nice guitar for £199. Looks pretty good. I mean, that we're talking Harley Benton prices here. So that's the guitar, and that's the very quick video for today. Just wanted to show you that. Like I said, literally, it's just arrived, so I'm going to plug it in and have a bit of a play with it now, and I'll do another video once it's all tuned up and everything, and we'll have a listen at it. And that's the video for today, guys. That's got to be a record for me. That must be my quickest video ever. But as ever, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. We'll have a listen to that Kramer. Bye for now.